Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the two apps in split view, so start removing it now. First, make sure the app divider is visible between the two apps. You'll see a thin gray handle. Once visible, position your finger on that handle and hold briefly to engage it. You're doing this because manually moving the divider returns focus and lets the system decide which app becomes full screen. After you hold the handle, prepare to drag it fully to one edge to close one side. Now continue the action. With the divider engaged, drag it all the way to the left or right edge of the display toward the app you want to dismiss. Do this slowly so the iPad registers the full screen intent. If you stop midway, it will remain split. Once the divider reaches the edge and snaps, the remaining app automatically becomes full screen. If you used an external keyboard or stage manager, make sure no window grouping prevents the drag from completing. Finish by confirming the app now occupies the entire display. That means split view is stopped. If the divider won't move, try a quick pinch gesture on the center handle to collapse the split or force quit one of the apps and reopen the other. Make sure multitasking settings aren't locked. Go to Settings and verify split view is enabled or disabled per your need. If all else fails, restart the iPad. A reboot clears stuck UI states and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.